This is the end of section 2, so let's hit a quick recap. You should have notes, examples, and highlights on the process for developing and managing a project, the purpose and structure of a proposal. You should have written down a key phrase that I love to create better plans and accountability in your life as well. You should have the common structure for personal correspondence. You should have some details about emails, like what to write in the subject line, and the reasons a memo is still valuable and often easier to use in the workplace. Have notes on what to look for when you receive a letter with common situations that they might show up. And have notes on how to structure your progress reports to best show the scope, accomplishments, and needs in your project. I recommend taking a longer break here as we end section 2. If you can come back another day, do it. It's good to break up information for your brain. Now, when you're ready to start, we'll get into section 3 of the lecture, that is the more specialized project management genres.